Damn it, I forgot my... Surprise! I'm moving to London. Canada? Illy? But it's time to abandon you. I'm so sorry. The reason why I am moving to London, England is because I'm trying to find a husband on the plane. I figure the more flights I take, the better chance I have of my catching feelings while catching flights. I made this decision because I am having my quarter-life crisis. Moving across the world for a quarter-life crisis, you know, it really could be worse. Like, I can name a lot of things that are not safe to say on YouTube. I visited London a couple months ago for like a week, and I was like, I'm obsessed with this place. It kind of felt like New York City, but with cooler accents. And y'all know I love New York City. But I was kind of traumatized out of New York. Why has it got to be a man who ruins cities for us? But my original plan actually was to go back to school, back to NYU in New York. But things didn't work out. And so I was like, well, let me just f around and find out and move to London. I'm moving there for 5 months initially, but it's like a test trial run to see if I really love it. But everything's kind of like chaotic and temporary, and I don't really know what's going on, but I just want to explore a new city and meet new people. I'm trying to focus more on music this year, and the music scene in London is really big, especially pop music. So right now I don't know what I want to do with my life. I don't know where I want to be. I don't know who I am. I've kind of just accepted that it's a part of growing up and a part of being in your 20s. I try to see the turbulence is exciting. I think the craziest part of all this is that I literally just finished decorating my condo, and now I'm f***ing off halfway across the world. What's up with that? But is it not so on brand for me? I've absolutely loved turning my condo into my dream space and really grown to love living in Vancouver for the past couple years. But deep down, I've never felt like I truly fit in here because, at least at this point in my 20s, I'm a big city girl. And I just felt like life in Vancouver wasn't offering me the career and personal opportunities that I was craving. I'm a girl with big dreams, and I love discovering new places and people and British pilots. I mean, hello. I know I've been making some insanely chaotic choices in my life lately, but I think I'm just going through my teenage rebellious phase like really late in life because I was an incredibly anxious, goody two-shoes, overthinking teenager. And recently, in the past couple of years, I've decided I don't want to live a life full of regrets anymore. I'm also so lucky to have a job that allows me to work from anywhere in the world, so I realized, why am I not taking advantage of this while I'm young? Vancouver will always be my home, but for now, I just feel like my calling lies elsewhere. And right now,
with service to London Heathrow.
I think I hear London calling. Okay, so now all I have to do is actually find a place to live for the next 5 months. Did I really just move to London with no place to live? Yeah. So I currently don't have a home. You know, I technically have a place to stay for the next 2 days because I booked an Airbnb last night. But other than that, girl, this is the adventure. We're gonna go flat touring. A flat, not an apartment? Let's try this one more time. Please work. Why is it not working? Patricia, please answer me. Am I on the wrong floor? Like, what? I'm just an Essex girl. This is not going swimmingly. Hooligans, we've gotten word from Miss Patricia. She gave me the wrong key. Miss Patricia, you must be playing a London prank on me. It's gonna take like an hour for her to get here, so I'm just gonna have to like dilly-dally for the next hour. Like, glitching right now because I'm so tired and hungry. Luckily, a girlie knows that she always needs entertainment, so I have some audiobooks downloaded, and lucky for us, this video is sponsored by Audible. I could not have planned this better if I had tried. If you don't know what Audible is, girl, where have you been? Audible is the world's leader in audio entertainment, audiobooks, podcasts, and Audible originals. Girl, let me tell you, the storytelling is gripping. I usually am a big rom-com listening girl. Like, I love my little like meet cutes, but I've been trying to veer into new territory recently, especially because I just moved and I'm like trying to try new things. Recently, I've been listening to some mystery thrillers on Audible, and ooh, I'm hooked. You'll be on the edge of your seat.
Okay, currently I am listening to One of Us is Dead. The other one I'm listening to is The Hunting Game. It's an Audible original featuring Kristen Ritter and Anthony Mackie. I chose it because I love them. I love Anthony Mackie and I am so hooked. New members of Audible can try it for free. You can visit the link in my description or text Jennifer Z to 500 for a free trial of Audible. And as a member, you will have access to the growing selection of titles across every single genre, and you can download to play on the road like I am. I think I'm gonna continue listening to The Hunting Game right now and wait for Miss Patricia to show up with my keys to the flat. Ah! You know what? This is still exciting. We're in London, baby.
Okay. Hello? Let's go. Oh shit. This is my bedroom. I just have all my suitcases here for now. Oh my god, look how cute. This window? Are you kidding me? Hello? Don't tell me. Oh, there we go. You're the one. This is such a weird contraption. Hello? Oh. Wow! Oh my god. Oh my god. Welcome to London! Ah. That's insane. This is an insane view. God save the queen. You're the worst bitch on the earth. So, where do I start? Essentially, I have 2 days to find a place or else I belong to the streets. I am here alone right now, but I'm planning on moving in with my friend and we're trying to find a flat together. We kind of thought it would be way easier than it turned out to be. I always knew that apartment hunting was difficult in big cities, but this might be the most difficult process that I've gone through. I've apartment hunted in LA, partly in New York, and of course in Vancouver. But because we're not doing a long-term stay, like not 12 months, it's been extra difficult to find a place to let us do 5 months. So a lot of places won't let us rent, which I get, but also because I currently don't have a UK number yet. So when they see my Canadian number, they just don't reply because they think I'm a scammer. I'm just a baby, like I'm just looking for a place to live. Anyway, I plan to go massively touring in the next couple of days to find the best area to live in. I obviously want nice London vibes, but at this point, like I'm not asking for much, okay? I'm just looking for a roof over my head. At first I was like, I want a nice view, like I want a big room, light and area with like natural lighting. Girl, at this point, I just don't want to be homeless. Honestly, it hasn't really sunk in that I'm here yet. I think it's because I'm really hungry. But the area that I'm in right now is actually really cute. I'm in is it Islington or Islington? Also, I literally scammed myself so hard. I took a black cab here thinking it was like, I was like, oh, everybody takes like cabs. That shit was so expensive, like I feel robbed. So I am going to have to work so hard to earn that money back. But today I actually have really exciting plans. I essentially like came to London because of this. I am going to see Renee Rapp in concert in London. I am going alone because I am alone. I've never gone to a concert alone, so this will be a really interesting experience. So a lot of new experiences today and this year that hopefully will help me grow and just like become comfortable in random situations so that nothing phases me anymore. Like going to dinner alone used to be so scary to me. Socializing used to be so scary to me, but I've realized that putting myself out there and like actually experiencing things makes things a lot less scary. I am trying not to let the fact that nobody wants to go with me to something prevent me from actually doing the thing that I want to do, because like if somebody else doesn't want to come with me, I can still have fun by myself. Is this coping? I don't know, we'll find out. I can't believe I'm in London. I'm in London, baby! How many times am I gonna say I'm in London in this video? Take a shot every time. Actually, I'll take a shot every time, because now that I'm in the UK, like, I have to be able to keep up with the drinking of these people, which is an insane amount. Yeah, maybe I don't need to keep up with that, because I think I would be like unalive on the floor of the hospital that I have to sign up for healthcare for. Lots of things to do. I have to find a flat, figure out healthcare, set up Wi-Fi, bills, decorate, so many things to figure out, but this is exciting. Oh my god, I literally feel sick. Oh, I feel sick, I feel sick, I feel sick. I just took a nap and I wish I could keep sleeping literally forever. This is my same makeup that I went on the plane with. Feels so gross, but that's showbiz, baby.
That one.
Wait, I've never seen this in my life. Wait, who's gonna claim it? Who's gonna claim it?
Tend the garden with me.
We have so many seeds to sow. When the harvest comes in, it will be time to share what we have grown. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy.
Everybody's gonna move right here. Pay attention to him, not me, to be honest. And listen. This is one time that I would say pay attention to a man over me. To be clear, but actually do listen to him. Stay where you are so that nobody gets trampled or anything. Just for a second, everybody in here will take care of you. Thank you for being here. They're gonna play the outro, so you can hear a little bit of music, but nobody trample over anybody. Everybody be really, really, really safe.
I'm back from the concert, took the tube back, and it was amazing. First solo concert experience, so successful. I would definitely do it again. Like, I was just vibing and she was so good live. And this past 24 hours has been such a roller coaster. I'm like so tired and so just lacking all the nutrients in my body. I feel like I could be freaking out in a really bad way because, I mean, let's be honest, like, I don't have a place to live for the next 5 months. I don't know many people in the city. Like, I'm completely starting over and I don't know what I want to do with my life. But during the concert, I was like kind of dissociating a little bit because I was so tired. I was like thinking about stuff back home, like other problems that I have in my life. But I was like, no, you came here to be in this moment, to be present, and to enjoy what's in front of you right now. And like, your problems will always be there waiting for you. So like, it's important to enjoy moments while you have it. I don't know, I'm just grateful for all the little moments that I can have. I mean, honestly, moving to London is a pretty big moment. But I'm just feeling a little emo right now. The double-decker buses are really like, it's so insane to me. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I mean, obviously I still have a lot of stuff to do and to worry about, but for now, I'm just so happy. What a cool day. I hope that my London experience will be amazing, and I'm sure that it will be. I'm gonna put it out into the universe that it will be. Next, I'm going to be hunting for a flat, moving in. I'm excited. I hope you'll stick around. I'm usually a big, gigantic overthinker. So before this trip, I was like, I'm making the wrong decision. Like, what if I hate it? I'm gonna be stuck for 5 months here in a city that I don't wanna be in. And then my friends were like, dude, literally what's the worst that can happen? It's also temporary. It's only like 5 months. If you hate it, come back home. But also, you know, what if the best case scenario happens and you love it? But then I was also overthinking like, oh, what if the best case scenario happens and I wanna settle down here forever? I'm gonna be so far from my family, like blah, 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 blah. And then I was like, wait, why am I scared of the best case scenario happening? Like, I'm scared of good things happening to me too. And I think I just need to live more in the moment because the future hasn't happened yet. I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe I'll love it, maybe I'll hate it. Maybe what I thought was the worst case scenario isn't actually the worst case scenario. Maybe it's good for me. Maybe the best case scenario is bad for me. I don't know. You just have to try it and find out. So this year I wanna stop living in my head and I wanna actually get outside, live life, and experience it for real. Let's do this, London. Lots to do, but that's for tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope you'll stick around for this adventure. Good night, London.